Welcome! Today, we will be showing you how to start a Nexus high-efficiency unit heater. Each unit ships with a bag containing the gas conversion kit, stainless steel wipes for cleaning the unit installation manual, and the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide contains photo instructions of each step you will see in this video. Prior to starting the unit, make sure that the condensate trap that shifts with the unit is installed. The unit will not run without the trap installed. To start the unit, complete the following steps. Remove the power venter access panel. Remove the control box cover. Turn on power and gas to the unit. On the main control board, turn dip switches 1 through 5 to the off position. Do not change dip switches 6 through 8, as those are set by the factory for your specific unit size. On the main control board, connect a jumper between terminals R and W1 to call for heat. For the purpose of this video, we have installed a switch to make it easier to turn the unit on and off. Turn the run potentiometer to 100%. This is also called high fire. The unit will light at 50 to 60% fire and hold that firing rate for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it will slowly ramp up to high fire. Allow 2 minutes to ensure the unit is at high fire. Install the combustion analyzer in the flue pipe approximately 1 foot from the unit. Turn the high fire adjustment screw until the CO2 is within range. Turn the run potentiometer to 33%, also called low fire. Allow 2 minutes for the unit to fully ramp down. Remove the low fire adjustment cap. Turn the low fire adjustment screw until the CO2 is within range. Replace the low fire adjustment cap once the adjustment is complete. Remove the jumper from R to W1 and set dip switches 1 through 5 back to the desired gas control. Reinstall the control box cover. Finally, reinstall the power venter access panel. This completes the Nexus startup. For more information, visit the Sterling HVAC website.